In this Zappr review, I'm going to be showing you a software that you can use to create unlimited content for free in under 60 seconds. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to be showing you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a discount on every single one of them, including the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Zappr, just go ahead and click the link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of special bonuses on here. All of these bonuses are going to be waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says the powerful secret content solution for 2021, the hidden key to passive income, generate cash exploding content in 60 seconds flat on autopilot, turn any video you want into content for your site in seconds. So essentially that's what this does. You can take a video, you can put it into the software, and it's going to take the text from that video and automatically put it on your website. You can use it on your website. You can use it pretty much anywhere you want. Find and publish content in 60 seconds. There's even articles in any niche. It says generate cash exploding content. So you can obviously monetize this as an integrated spinner. So you can spin your content. There's an unlimited site license on the front end. So you can put it on as many of your sites that you own as you want with it. And it's going to be for a one-time very low price with this. Now, one thing I want to show you when you come to the sales page is that you want to move your mouse away so you can get a discount on this. When you do that, you can click on here and get a discounted price on this and pay less for it. I want to make sure that you know about that. I make less as an affiliate, but you get a better deal on this. As we go down here, they've got traditional sales page stuff. They say here, look what's possible when you have targeted traffic hitting your pages. I mean, these are just screenshots of their affiliate dashboards. This really has nothing to do with the software. So don't purchase this based upon the software. Like this software didn't make them $248,000 or anything like that. All this income proof. So purchase this based upon what the software does, not on the fancy income proof from this. It says we can assure you these images are from our accounts and 100% viable, verifiable, but that doesn't mean that this software created that income. They're just saying that the income proof is verifiable, just so you know. So you can you can use the content to drive traffic to anywhere you want. So you can work in pretty much any niche that you want to do. You don't have to do any paid traffic, any SEO. You don't have to create any videos. You don't have to do any hard work to do it. It's just an easy way of getting really cheap traffic, getting cheap content for your business here. Now, if you purchase, you're gonna get access to the software. It's a WordPress plugin, so you will need to have a WordPress website. And I'm gonna say that again. It's a WordPress plugin, so you do need a WordPress website to use this. But that being said, like everyone should have a WordPress website by now. Like it's mandatory. If you don't have a WordPress website, use this as a kick in the butt to get one. You should have one because a lot of great softwares come out that require WordPress in order to work. So you should get that. So anyways, that's the front end offer here. Let's go over and actually take a look at what this really does. Okay, so now we're in the back end area for Zappr. I'm going to show you right here. Like I said, it's a WordPress plugin. So I'm in a WordPress website. I'm going to go to video into post. It says here, turn any video into a blog post. So I'm going to go over and I'm going to grab this video right here. It's a review I did of another product. I'm going to put it into the software like this. Click on start. It's going to go out there and grab the text from my video. You can add a source link to it. So if you want to add a link back to the content, you can. If you don't want to add a link back, you don't have to. It's optional for you. It's your business. You decide what you want to do. You can add a video. You can add a video thumbnail and choose what you want to do that. So I'm actually going to click on both of them and generate a post with that. So it's actually going to include my video in there as well. I'm going to click on all posts. I'm going to click on the review here. And you can see here, it added in that image. No, that was optional. I don't have to add that in, but I added the thumbnail from the video, added in the actual video itself. Again, that's optional. Both these things are optional. And then it pulled the text from the closed captions there and made me unique content for this. and here down at the bottom, you can see the source link. It linked back to the article there. So it's, again, up to you what you want to do with this. The look of this is it's gonna look however your theme is. So don't look at this theme here and go, that looks crappy, because it is a crappy theme. It's gonna look the way that whatever your theme looks like. That's the way the content is going to look on your website here. So that's that there. Let's go back over and I want to show you some more things here. So that's the videos into post. You can also do an article search. So they've got like categories. You can do like affiliate marketing, and you can choose how you want the post status to look. I can make it be published. I can choose a keyword for the image. Enter a keyword for the category. You can search for the category here with this. You can spin the content on and off, and then I can pick the article that I want to do with that, and then actually create a post from that article. They also have a video search built right in, so I could do like make money online and search for that right here. It's going to search for different content here based upon that keyword, and I can go in here and actually like make content from these different posts here from directly inside the software. They've got settings for you to add in like your API key and all that stuff here, but that's pretty much how all that works here. One thing I do want to mention, and I think this is pretty important, it's not going to work. It says here it will turn any video into a blog post. It won't turn any video into a blog post. That video has to have closed captions on it. So they can't, if they are auto-generated captions from like a small YouTube channel, then it's not going to work. It has to be a video that has like captions that are created. Like I go in there and I play around with my captions a little bit for SEO. And most big channels, any big content that you're going to be taking from is going to have that as well. But if it's like a little small channel that isn't a very big YouTube channel, you might not be able to pull their content from it. And I'm the only person that knows that. I'm the only person that's going to tell you that. So give me a like if you like that I share all that with you. I just want to be as transparent with you as I can on how this works here. So that's the front end offer. Let's go over and take a look at the OTOs and upgrades. Okay, this is the first one. With this, it says you can sell content and install Zappr in client sites. So essentially, it's a developer license with this. You can automate the entire Zappr campaigns, unlock RSS feeds, so you can make content from RSS feeds. You can get access to their article rewriter. It has built-in branding and some other features here. So, but I want to show you this here. With the OTOs, again, you're going to like this. Make sure you click on no thanks, because it says the price is 27 here. If you click on no thanks on the OTOs, you can get a discount on this. So that brings the price down 10 bucks down to 17. You might as well get it for the lower price if you're going to get it. I want to save you money. So if you're going to get it, do that. Next one here is the OTO number 2. It says unlock social media traffic. So you can one-click Facebook shares, one-click Twitter shares, one-click Pinterest and LinkedIn for that. So again, it says it's normally 27. Click that no thanks button, and we're going to get that price down to 17 for you. So might as well get that discount on it. Next one, you can monetize. You can add links, banners, offers, and products to all your posts with one click. It's a pretty cool upgrade. I like being able to monetize. It's normally 27. Click that no thanks button. I'm guessing it's going to bring it down to 17 for that. Yep. So make sure you do that. Next one here. It says done for you. So this is a done for you version. It has an article package in multiple niches. Another rewriter tool, discover how to sell articles and bank big, it says. This one's normally 27. Click the no thanks button, get a discount on it. I think it's going to be, that's what I'm curious. Let's look at it together. I want to make sure that I give you guys the right prices here. So yeah, it's going to bring that down to 17. Fifth OTO. So this is 100% commissions on Zappr, 100% commissions on the upgrades. Keep all the money you make with this. And that's normally 97. But of course, we are going to click that no thanks button. We're used to doing that by now. Brings it way down to 47. So there you go. And the last one, this is a coaching one, teaching you how to make money online. And let's see, normally priced at 97. What do you think there's going to be a downsell? Think there might be? And there is. So that brings it down to 47 there. All the different OTOs and upgrades, they're all optional for you. Pick and choose which ones you want, which ones you don't. But if you're going to get them, make sure you get that discount on it. I want you to get a low price. So yeah, that's how it works. What do I like about Zappr and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, I guess the fact that it's a WordPress plugin makes it a little bit annoying. The fact that you do have to install it on a website to use it, but I mean, it's automatically publishing that content onto your website. So how are you going to like really do that? I mean, you could do it with a cloud-based software, but it's easier to do it like this. Just because it's on a WordPress website does not mean you have to use the content on the WordPress website. You could always take that content and bring it off the website and use it somewhere else. So it's up to you how you want to do that. What do I like about this? I think it's a smart idea. I always think that getting content, you can use it for link building, you can use it for your websites. It's going to be fairly unique content because most people aren't going to be using this content online. It's going to be content that's kept on YouTube. Might as well use this for your websites and you can even monetize it as well. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Zappr, go ahead and click the link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel. It really does. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.